Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In the Canberra suburb of Cook, Sonder Architects transformed a townhouse within the Wybalena Grove community into a playful family residence defined by bold color blocks, mid-century furniture and a fresh, feminine design. Originally designed in 1974 by lauded architect Michael Dysart, Color Block House took shape as not just a renovation, but an opportunity to bring warmth and character into a mid-century townhouse. The name Color Block is a nod to one of the main design drivers of the space, serving as a metaphor for layering a new design language with the old.